Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how we can add a photo on a video in CapCut. Well, basically, you just need to open your CapCut app as you can see on your screen, and we're going to tap on the new project right there at the top and select the video that you want to add. So this is the video that we're going to add. Now to add a photo on this video, you just have to tap on the overlay button right here at the bottom middle of your screen and tap on add overlay and select a photo you want to add. For example, this one. So once you added your photo, you can now move it depending on where you want to put your photo on your video. And basically, there's a bunch of features here that you can use. You can actually use some blend option. So for example, if we tap on this photo, then we have here blend, and you can choose here any of the blending features on this CapCut. Now the other way here, you can basically add some animations. So right there beside the blend option, and then we're going to select here any of the animation you would like. So as you can see, some are pro versions, so you just need to subscribe to CapCut Pro to basically open up all the animations. So for example, I just want to use this one, and then I'm going to adjust the length of a photo. So that's it. That's how you basically add a photo on a video in CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.